Normally, the Lovoom takes dry food or treats that are the size 0.2 to 0.4 inches in size. But if you have something that's smaller, you can just switch out the adapter with the smaller one. So let's go ahead and give it a try. First, you need to take out the normal size adapter. Now, if you look here, there's an oval shape. You need to match this up with the oval shape that's inside. And when you put it inside, that you get underneath the sides. Then twirl it around until it fits. And then you're done. Now you can use a smaller sized dry food or treat.